Hello everybody, this is chenna. So today we will be discussing about simple web design in HTML. So for the simple web design, so we just need to have some heading like that. So to get a heading, we need to have we have to use h1 tag. So which will be like you'll be getting heading like in a bigger font size. So for this heading one, we have to use h1 tag, which will give you the bigger one. And if you use h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, the font size will be decreased. And for that creation of heading one, we have to use h1. And this alignment, like it should be in center, so we have used it to align it in center. And this is a division tag. So for this division tag, we have used division tag because of this image. To keep this image in to keep this image here, we have to use division tag. I have created a division tag, and inside that I have created an image tag. In this image tag, we have to give source of the image, so that it will take the image directly. So I have given the source of the image, and I want that image to be in center, so I have given it align in center. And again, for the creation of the next one, like here you will be having different links, like external link, internal link, so everything will be there. So here this is a subheading one. So for this subheading one, we have to use h1 tag. And again, for this one, we have to use h1 tag. And also for the data can be written inside the h1 tag. We can write anything after the h1 tag. We can see here I have created a h2. In that I have written subheading one. In that I have created a paragraph, and it has written, because we have created a paragraph tag by keeping this one. This is a paragraph tag. I'll be ending paragraph here. So whatever you write here, it will be in a paragraph type. So it will be aligned in a type of paragraph, so it will not be overlapped, or it cannot be gone outside. So here we have to paste external link, internal link, and email link, and phone link and all. So for this external link, we have to use anchor tag. We have to give the external link reference here by keeping href. So here we have to give the external link. Whenever we click on this link, it has to be taken to the external page. If this internal page means it is another HTML. We have to create another 2.html is some another HTML page we have to create here. And whenever you click that, it will be internally, it will go to another HTML page. That's it. It will not go to any external page. So for this, and also email, we can give like hr here, mail to. This one is we have to give here the mail address to which we have to send the mail. So whatever the mail ID, you can give here mail to. You have to write here mail to, and you have to give the mail address here. So, and again phone link. For this anchor tag, you have to use anchor tag only, and you have to refer here as tell, or also you can give as phone also you can give. So I have used tell, and this is a mobile number you have to give here. Whenever they click on this contact, you will get directly, like you will get a link to call to this number. And this is a clickable image. So here clickable image means, like whenever you click that image, it should take to the respective page, like that. See here, this is the external link, this is the internal link, and this is the email link, and this is the phone link we have talked about. And this is a clickable image. Whenever you click this image, it has to take to the Google image, like where we have taken this image. So for this, we have to normally first refer to this image. So that image, like whenever you click this image, it will go to www.google.com. So see, whenever I click this, it will go to www.google.com. So, and also you have to keep an image here. So for that image, you have to give the same, like whatever you have given for this image here. You have to use image tag, and you have to give the source address by keeping src. So that is the one. And also this is like here you can see like here you can see this one is a list. So there will be different types of list: order list, unordered list, and all. So this is we have to create a list first. So this is a clickable image. And this PHP, JavaScript, and all, this is called as This one is called as another, like we have to create this. So for that first I have used dl. In the dl I have written php, and this site server programming, it has to come by giving us some space here, and it has to start. So for that we have to use dd. This command, this tag is used to give the space, and we have to write here. And another same like that, another one like javascript. Instead of php I have given javascript, and I have written client server programming. So here, and for the next one, you have to create different types of list: order list, unordered list, and also there will be different types of nested list and all. So here, so in the first, here I have created a list. In that, this is an unordered list. This ul refers to unordered list, and this ol refers to order list. In unordered list you have to use li, and also on order list also you have to use li. So li, whatever you write in li, so you will get that in you will get that after that. So first I have used order list. So first so you can see here, this is the first term, so it comes in order list. Order list means you will get in a dot format. Dot one refers to the order list, and this 1 2 3, this one are all there, so this will be refers to order list. Okay. So and this one like this is a nested further, and this and so on. This is a nested style, like unordered list. This is an also an unordered list, but this type has been changed from circle to square, so we can change here. So here, list style type equals to square, so you can change the type from circle to square here. So this is an also an unordered list, like first term, the like this one. So I have created these two. This is this one, these two are also unordered list. And also again after that, here you have to get a b instead of this 1 2 1 dots and all, you have to get a b. So for that you have to give type equals to a. Means it will take capital letters. When if you give here small a, it will take small a here. So here I have given capital A, so here it has taken small a, capital A and capital B. So after that again, see here again, like second item and third item. So this is normally, and this one is for creating a table. So while reference to the table, we can see the given table is, wait, I'll show you the table. So the given table is this one. So here subheading 3 should be in a subheading format, so I have used h3. So h3 is used. And also if after that you have to write something like this is a paragraph, so I have written this is a paragraph in paragraph. And also you can, like, I have created a table here. In table I have given border 2, means this will come under these two, like it will be differ like two lines here. So this is border 2. And alignment in the center, because it came in the center. And style width is 50%, only 50% width, not too elaborated. And for this first one, row 1 column 1 row 3, so here you can see, here you will be having 3 r1 c1 r1 r1 c1 c2 c3. So here totally we have to create 4, one row 4 columns. But here this fourth column is again like it has been taken these 3 row, these 4 rows. Totally these 4 rows have been combined and got into a one single row. So I have here, we have to use here row span. How many rows should be combined? So here 1 2 3 4 5, so totally 5 rows are combined, so I have to give row span equals to 5. So this one will get, this one will take 5 rows. So that is why it is r1 comma c4 is here. And also in the second one r2 c1, and here this one also, it was taken 4 row span of 4. And also columns also has been combined, 2 columns. So I have given column span. Col span means column will be spanned, and row span means rows will be combined. So col span will combine columns. So two columns has been combined here, and 4 rows will be combined here. So you will get this one. And also for the r3 and c1, r4 and c1, you have to create the different one. And for r5 c1 and c2 should be combined. So for r5, see here, for r5 first column and second column is combined, so only column span will be there 2. In that column 1 and column 2 has been written. And also here 3 and 4 is combined, so column only 2 columns are combined, so r2 c3 and 4 has been written here. In the sixth